you?
Today I'm hot. What? How old are you?
I'm 10 years old. How about you?
I'm 10 years old. What color do you like?
I like dress. I often wear that color. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. Do you like yellow?
Yes, I like. Is this blue pen?
Yes, it is. Which animal do you like?
I like dog. It's so cute. Do you like tiger?
No, I don't like. I'm scared. What can you do?
I can play the piano. What can you do?
I can fly kite. Can you sing a song?
Yes, I can. Can you ride pony?
No, I can't. What shape is it?
It's a heart. What shape is it?
It's a triangle. Is it a circle?
Yes, I do. Who book is that?
I don't know. What do you have?
I have pen, a pencil sharpener, a book, a workbook, and a keychain. Do you have a lunch bar?
I don't know. I don't have a lunch bar. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I do. Do you want to eat out with me?
That